see in this problem. Here how to find the voltage drop across capacitor. So here R circuit is given with connected source, that is AC source. Now how can you find the voltage drop across capacitor? This is the problem. So first of all, convert the AC source into the phasor form. So that is, here amplitude is 10 and angular frequency is 4 and phase angle is 0. So the voltage source in phasor form, the amplitude and with phase angle. So amplitude is 10 and phase angle is 0. So this is the source voltage. Now here these two components are in series. So let here the voltage drop is V1 and here V2. In circuit, for resistor impedance is Z1 and impedance of capacitor is Z2. So for a resistor impedance is R only. For a capacitor impedance is 1 by SC. So Z1 equal to 5 ohms and Z2 equal to 1 by S into C is 0.1 Faraday. So S means J omega. In the source voltage Vs, angular frequency is given as 4, that is omega equal to 4. Now substitute here 1 by J into omega is 4, 4 into 0.1, that's equal to 2.5 by J. Take RF J, so J means root minus 1. So here J into J, J square. So 2.5 into J divided by J square means minus 1, that's equal to minus 2.5 J. This is the impedance of capacitor, that is Z2. Now we got impedance of resistor and impedance of capacitor. So in circuit, impedances are connected in series. So whenever impedances are connected in series, and we have formula for finding the voltage drops across each impedance. So that is, this is the formula for finding the voltage drop across each impedance value. But here we want the voltage drop across capacitor, that means Z2, means V2 value we want. So V2 equal to, so Z2 by Z1 plus Z2 into Vs. So here I want the voltage drop across Z2. So take Z2 value divided by sum of all the impedances into source voltage. It gives the voltage drop across capacitor. Now substitute here V2 equal to, so we want voltage drop across Z2, that is minus 2.5 J ohms divided by Z1 plus Z2. So Z1 is 5 ohms plus Z2 is minus 2.5 J and source voltage is 10 with angle 0. Now in the numerator and denominator we have the complex numbers. So for the simplification, first of all convert these two complex numbers into phasor form. So that is, for A plus B IB complex number, the polar form is, first of all find the magnitude, that is root of A square plus B square, and phase angle is tan inverse of B by A. Now by applying this formula we will get two phasors in numerator and denominator. So it becomes root of 2.5 whole square tan inverse of minus 2.5 by 0 divided by root of 5 square plus 2.5 whole square tan inverse of minus 2.5 by 5, and voltage is 10 with angle 0. So these are the two angles. By using calculator we will get this value is equivalent to 4.47 with angle minus 63.43 degrees volts. It is the V2 voltage in capacitor in phasor form, but convert into time domain, because in the options there is time domain is there. So that is nothing but amplitude is 4.47 cos of omega t, omega is 4, so 4t, and phase angle is minus 63.43 degrees. This is the voltage drop across capacitor and this is the required voltage. So from the options, option is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.